My name's Anthony Allen, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create emojis in video, animated emojis like this one on screen that you can use in your videos today. The plugin that we're talking about and using to create these emojis is available at Pixarfilm Studios and is for Final Cut Pro 10 aka FCPX. Create emojis of different kinds today fairly easily like this. I will also later on in this video be showing you how easy this is done within Final Cut Pro 10. So stay tuned for that and watch this video all the way through into the end so you get all of the value that I'm giving to you here in this video. So as mentioned before earlier on in this video, the plugin that we're using is available at Pixarfilm Studios and the link is down in the description. What do I think about this plugin? Is it useful? Does it save you time? 100% yes, because when you're creating emojis like what you're seeing on screen right now, you will have to actually track the movement of this emoji and animate the face in order to get this emoji to have more life in your video. Placing a static emoji on screen right now is slightly outdated, and when you can have an animated emoji just placed on screen fairly easily, it's well worth the money. And not only that, when you download this plugin you get a lot more available to you. This is a part of a plugin package that you are seeing on screen right now. This plugin package has a lot available in it, as well as the emojis that you can place on screen right now. Not only that, but Pixarfilm Studios will update this plugin, so they are adding more to this plugin and you can download the updates to this plugin that is available to you. All you need is the Pixarfilm Studios installer, which is entirely free. Once you have this installer, you will be able to update this plugin so you can have more available to you and you're getting more value for your money. This is an absolute amazing offer from Pixarfilm Studios. So now that I've explained what this plugin is capable of and what you get along with this plugin, let's talk about what it can be used for. Let's say you're making a video on social media for Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, maybe an Instagram square, maybe an Instagram story, maybe you're creating a video that you want to insert into your Snapchat. All of this is capable. You can do all of this when you download this plugin. You can use these emojis on those platforms as well as YouTube. Simply create the video, place your emojis, voila. With the right resolution and the sizing, you can then place your emoji video fairly easily on those platforms. Literally within a couple of seconds you can place these emojis on screen. Does it save you time? Yes. Are you getting value for money? Yes, because you're getting even more than these emojis and you're getting a lot more on offer and updates from Pixarfilm Studios. How do you get started with this? You would download it from the link that I leave in the description. Clicking that link will take you directly to this plugin so you can download it today. And how quickly can you create these emojis? Within seconds. Literally place them on screen, resize, change the animation slightly. You can change how quick or how slow or how wide the animation is of some of these emojis as well. You can also change the placement on screen, so wherever you want it on screen you can move it around very easily. Now that I've spoken about this plugin, let's show you it in action in Final Cut Pro 10. Inside of Final Cut Pro 10, once you have your clip, go into the titles and generators folder within the browser. Then select the Social Mega Pack from Pixarfilm Studios, and this is where you'll be able to find your emojis. I'm going to use this emoji and place it on top of the footage within the timeline. Nice and easy. Now I'm just going to skim over the top to give you a visual idea of what this will create. I'm now going to shorten the tile because I don't want it to be featured throughout the whole entire clip. Once it's selected, I can then use the on-screen controls to resize the emoji accordingly. And you can also use the on-screen controls to place it within the shot in a place where you would like the emoji to appear. But there's a lot more that you can do with your animated emoji. Going into the inspector here, you can see that we can change all of these elements. For example, eyeshadow, highlights, mouth highlights, drop shadow, the drop shadow highlight, scaling the drop shadow and scale of that shadow. You can also change the animations of the emoji itself, the blink rate, the drop rate, which is the teardrop from the top of the head, sweat drop rather, the mouth rate, so this is how fast or how slow the mouth moves in the animation. Then you have 3D controls, and you also have the drop shadow of the entire emoji, as the shadows we were talking about before were on the face of the emoji. You can also change the color of the drop shadow and also give it a blur. You can also give it a distance and more. But there's also even more. If we scroll back up, you'll be able to see even more. We have track controls. Track controls enable you to move the emoji over a period of time so it looks more natural and not just placed on top of the footage. Here is what we've just created in a few seconds. Subscribe, and don't forget to check out the FCPX plugin playlist that I have on my channel page. If you click on my face down below here on the channel page thing, it will take you to my channel page, and then you can scroll down to find playlists that I have built so you can find the content that is relevant to you. Once you have done that, you can then subscribe. You can also subscribe to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel so you can get notifications of the content that I create for you. There is also some content that you will see on screen right now, more content right here to help you with your video editing and more. My name is Anthony Allen. You've been watching a video here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. Check out that FCPX plugins playlist, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.